Tiny3's intelligent directional mic system combines an omnidirectional microphone and two MEMS directional microphones to deliver a versatile professional audio experience. The omnidirectional mic captures sound evenly from all directions, while the directional mics focus on a specific source, effectively reducing noise from other angles. This system ensures superior noise reduction, clear audio quality, and strong scenario adaptability. Pure Audio Mode. Capture pure, studio-grade audio with zero processing, designed for professional music recording, ASMR production, and creators who demand raw, unfiltered sound for precision post-production. Spatial Audio Mode. Experience immersive stereo sound with enhanced left and right separation and pinpoint positioning, perfect for vlogs and ambient storytelling where soundscape matters as much as visuals. Smart Omni Mode. AI-powered 360-degree pickup intelligently balances vocals and ambient sound, delivering consistent clarity for business meetings, group discussions, family gatherings, and multi-speaker live streams. Directional Mode. Focus on the voice in front while reducing background noise around you, ideal for solo presentations and personal podcasts, especially in noisy environments. Dual Directional Mode. Capture both front and rear voices clearly while rejecting side noise. The ultimate choice for professional interviews, two-host podcasts, and face-to-face conversations that demand studio-quality dialogue. With Tiny3's intelligent directional mic system, you can find the right audio for any situation, making Tiny3 one of the best investments you can make in a camera. Great hardware needs great software to unlock its full potential. Tiny3's software suite transforms your webcam into a complete production powerhouse, delivering professional image controls, intelligent enhancements, and versatile creative tools that typically require multiple apps and devices. OBSBOT has always iterated fast on the software side, and Tiny3 pushes that into a new phase. This launch brings a batch of features built specifically for the new hardware, turning OBSBOT Center into a far more powerful creative toolkit. Professional image settings. Despite being a webcam, Tiny3 gives creators control usually reserved for professional cameras. OBSBOT Center lets you fine-tune visuals with precision tools that turn your desktop setup into a true production studio. Some of the key improvements in AI Tracking 2.0 with the Tiny3: smarter subject recognition, significantly reduced target loss and false positives, even with multiple people in the frame. Enhanced object tracking. Expanded AI database now recognizes a wider variety of subjects beyond humans. Only Me Precision Mode. Ultra-accurate single-person tracking that locks onto your unique profile and ignores distractions. Composition intelligence. Advanced framing with customizable composition lines and face direction awareness. Voice integration. It combines audio positioning with visual tracking for unprecedented hands-free control, which now debuts on OBSBOT Tiny3 series. Tiny3 has industry-leading AI features that make content creation smoother, smarter, and effortlessly intuitive. Great AI isn't flashy, it's invisible. Tiny3's AI works in the background so you can focus on creating, not adjusting settings. It tracks smarter, frames better, and responds faster than any webcam in its class. Since our very first camera, OBSBOT has been advancing AI to push the boundaries of smart videography and minimize manual effort. In 2025, we introduced AI Tracking 2.0 with the Tail 2, our professional live production camera, and now we're bringing this core technology to the Tiny3. It's more than a camera on your desk, it's a creative partner that makes content creation smoother, smarter, and effortlessly intuitive. To achieve flagship-level image quality, we didn't just scale up the sensor, we layered in advanced imaging tech. Tiny3's 1/1.28 CMOS sensor delivers wide dynamic range, lower noise, faster autofocus, and ultra-low power consumption. It cuts read noise and fixed pattern noise by 33%, putting Tiny3 ahead of others in its class. It looked professional in any lighting. No more apologizing for grainy video in dim rooms. Skip expensive lighting setups. The sensor compensates for less than ideal conditions. Maintain quality across long meetings. Efficient sensor stays cool and consistent. In standard, the Tiny3 delivers crisp 4K at 30 FPS video, but here's the breakthrough: 120p at 120 FPS. Capture unlocks ultra smooth motion and lets you create high quality slow motion clips in post, a first for webcams. Create dramatic moments. Slow down the product reveal, the chef's knife skills, or the perfect golf swing. Gamers look smoother. Faster movements stay sharp and fluid, not blurry or choppy. One camera, multiple uses, 4K for quality, 120 FPS for creativity, no need to swap devices. Video quality sits at the core of any webcam. Tiny 3 just doesn't meet the bar, it raises it, delivering visuals that rival dedicated cameras and leave typical webcams in the dust. OBSBOT has never stopped pushing imaging forward, and Tiny 3 brings our best technologies yet, putting it in a different league built for creators who care about real, professional-grade visuals. One of the really important things about the Tiny 3 is its aluminum alloy build, ensuring lightweight durability with excellent heat dissipation, while ultra-low power consumption keeps it running efficiently during extended shoots. The result? Professional performance that fits anywhere, travels easily, and works harder without overheating. What does that mean? That means that I can stream for hours without being throttled. Efficient designs mean consistent performance and no thermal shutdowns. Most webcams sound thin, flat, and lifeless. Tiny 3 changes that with a professional-grade audio system that rivals dedicated microphones, so your voice, music, and environment sound as good as they look. Tiny 3 combines 3 silicone MEMS microphones, 1 omnidirectional and 2 directional, a setup typically found only in high-end audio gear. The omnidirectional silicone MEMS mic captures sound evenly from every direction, while the 2 directional silicone MEMS mics lock onto your voice and reject unwanted noise from other angles. This hybrid architecture delivers studio-like quality and spatial separation that no single mic webcam can match. Most webcams use basic electret condenser microphones, cheap, inconsistent, and prone to picking up unwanted noise. Tiny 3 breaks that mold by integrating silicone microphones powered by MEMS, micro electromechanical systems technology, the same premium microphone hardware architecture used in high-end TWS earbuds, professional hearing aids, and studio-grade recording equipment. Silicone MEMS microphones deliver exceptionally low distortion even at high sound pressure levels, outstanding signal-to-noise ratio, and flat frequency response across the entire audible spectrum. Sound professional instantly. You no need to invest in separate microphones, audio interfaces, or acoustic treatment. You save time in post-production. Clean audio from the start means less noise. Cleanup and EQ work later. Adapt to any environment. Whether you're in a quiet studio or a busy office, the right mic mode handles it. And it's consistent performance you can trust. Every unit delivers the same studio quality audio every time. With Tiny 3's voice locator, it doesn't just hear you, it finds you. Using spatial audio positioning, the camera detects where sound is coming from, rotates toward the speaker, and begins tracking automatically. Combined with voice control commands like "Hi Tiny," it eliminates the need to touch the camera mid-shoot. Never walk back to adjust the camera. Start your online meetings from anywhere in the room. Capture spontaneous moments. The camera responds to whoever is speaking, perfect for interviews or panel discussions. The Tiny 3 is compatible with the Stream Deck, Switch 2, OBS, Twitch, Zoom Meeting, and more for a smooth workflow. Seamless OBSBOT ecosystem integration, multicam setups, wireless audio, and pro video workflows made simple. Real-time remote camera control with HD video streaming and AI tracking configuration from anywhere in the world. OBSBOT avatar and virtual voice. Motion capture with ready-to-use preset avatars, voices, and scenes for instant VTubing. The OBSBOT Tiny 3. Tiny in size, titan in performance. Suitable for any desk setup style. All in all, the Tiny 3 is a great choice. I've been using it now for a couple of months, and I can tell you that I wouldn't go back. So if you can get your hands on one, use code ATOMIK. Thanks again, OBSBOT, for the chance to take a look at your camera. Cheers, guys.